Let's do some morning skincare, babes. Let's do some morning skincare. We're gonna start off with cleanser. This is the Beekman 1802 Milk Scrub. Major PSA: before you wash your face or before you touch your skin in any way, shape, or form, make sure your hands are washed. They carry so much bacteria. Even if you think they're clean, wash your hands before you wash your face. I just realized I probably should have put a headband on because my hair is a little bit in my face. These flyaways will be the death of me, I swear. I'm just going to really quickly scrub my face. I love to use this in the morning. Not only is the color like yellowy orange, so it feels like a good morning face wash, but I just love the way that it makes my skin feel. It's super soft, and I feel like I get a little bit of an extra clean or a little bit of extra scrub because this is a bit of a physical exfoliator. Also, make sure you're always patting your face dry. Don't wipe it. You want to be really gentle on your skin. It's very easy to cause micro tears in your skin. Obviously, you won't see them, but over time, those are going to damage your skin. It's going to lead to fine lines, wrinkles, things like that. So just be gentle with your skin. Now I'm going to leave. That wasn't English. I'm gonna use a little bit of a facial spray. I like to do this because this helps to tone, but I also just love the way it feels on my face. It is so relaxing. Now I'm going to take the Paula's Choice BHA 2% liquid exfoliant, and I'm actually going to apply this to my hands and then put it on my face. I've been getting much better results when I use this with my hands versus a cotton pad. I just think it sinks into my skin better. Not to mention, this lasts so much longer when you use your hand because you only need a few drops versus like wetting a cotton pad. And I press my skincare into my face first and then I'll kind of rub it in, but I just want to make sure that it's actually getting in my skin before I just like smear it all around. Next, I'm going to use the Beekman 1802 Milk Drops. This is their probiotic ceramide serum. This has helped so much over the past couple of months. I've noticed it helping in a couple of different ways. So I do have some dark spots. I notice it kind of just evening my skin tone out, and it definitely feels more moisturized. So I've been loving this Milk Drop serum lately. It's just like a fresh drink of water on my skin. It just feels so nice and hydrating, and like I said, it definitely just helps to even out my skin tone, and my skin just feels more evenly hydrated when I use this. I'm gonna preface this by saying everything I use, like all of these steps, are definitely not necessary. I use a decent amount of skincare because I have it, so I want to use it, but really you just want to start with a cleanser, a toner, maybe a serum, a moisturizer, and then always use SPF. Your skincare routine does not have to be complex. I'm just being extra and bougie because I have the product, so I might as well use it. I love Sunday Riley. This is their Be Nice 10% niacinamide serum. I've also seen a difference in the overall complexion and tone of my skin since I started using this. It's one of my favorite products. So again, pressing it in and then rubbing it in. And then when I give my face time to like absorb those ingredients and products, I'm going to go in and do my under eye cream in the meantime. So this is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I've been loving this. I got it in a BoxyCharm and I've been using it for maybe about a month now. I'm curious to see how long this lasts because I only use a little bit of product. I mean, you really don't need a lot. It spreads really nicely. And then I just slightly tap it in with my ring finger because this finger has the least amount of pressure and it's the most gentle. You want to be really gentle with your under eyes. They don't produce any oil, so this area is going to wrinkle easily. It's very important to be very gentle. Now it's collagen time. This is the Depology Matrix All 3000 Collagen Boosting Serum. I'm so excited that I finally started using this and started incorporating anti-aging ingredients into my skincare. Collagen is amazing for your skin. And then as far as serums go, I'm just going to use this Core's Velvet Skin Drink. This reminds me of wine. Like, it kind of smells like wine to me. I literally just do like 1-2 drops of this and I just put it on my skin. It literally makes your skin feel like velvet. I don't know what is in here, what ingredient is causing my skin to feel like velvety, like so smooth, but there's something in here and it just works. So this product single-handedly has fixed my eczema. I used to have a huge patch right here. I would have one in between my eyes and on either side of my chin. And now I'm only really dealing with a little patch right here. This is the Murad Quick Relief Colloidal Oatmeal Treatment. It is for your face, eyes, and bodies. This helps so much with eczema. So if you're really struggling, I highly recommend checking this out. I think it is a little bit pricey, but this is gonna last me so long. I've been using this multiple times a day, every day for 2 or 3 months, and I feel like I've barely made a dent in it. I'm just taking about this much, and then I'm just gonna dab it right in this area where I need it right here. For moisturizer, I'm using the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow. This is their brightening vitamin C cream. I love vitamin C. It is so good for your skin. It's so great for the overall complexion of your skin. It's gonna help to diminish any dark spots or discoloration. And this is huge. Like, I've been using this for so long, and again, I feel like I barely made a dent in it. So that completes my morning skincare routine. It pretty much stays the same, except I will switch out my cleanser depending on what mood I'm in. My skin is super dewy, glowy, and hydrated. I love the way my skin feels. It's super soft. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel greasy or anything to the touch. So if you've been thinking about trying any of the products I've used in my skincare routine or that you've seen in this video, I love each and every one so much. So check them out. You might like them also.